Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're on board the Norwegian Bliss and today we're staying in room 14200. It is a club balcony suite and today we're going to be going over a full room tour. So if you want to find out what this room looks like, then you're in the right place. Make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like we said, we're in room 14200, so let's go check this thing out. Alright guys, here we go. Beautiful carpets, and this is a big room, you guys, so we're going to do a couple things real quick. Alright guys, peeking over from the door, we're going to check out the bathroom first. So as we look at the bathroom right through this way, we do have a couple things here. We have the thermostat, so you can make it hotter or colder. We have some buttons out here that correspond to the light outside. So if we press the do not disturb button here, we're gonna check it out right here. So that's how I know if you need to get your room lit up or not, which is pretty cool. So I'll click that back off. Oh, and then here you have to have your card in to actually turn the lights on and to kick on the air conditioner, I believe. And then here is the main switch, and then here is the switch to the bathroom. So let's go check out the bathroom. So from the bathroom, usual, oh gosh, it's a step up. Usual, obviously commode there, plenty of handlebars and places to hang things. Panning over this way, we do have a two-person sink, which I am here for. Big, bright, beautiful bathroom. Plenty of storage down here as well. But what I am loving, you guys, is the shower. So the shower door slides open. As you step inside, there are so many faucets. I'm here for it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So plenty of ways to get the soap off of you. So as we step out of the bathroom, going this way, we have a full mirror here. Hello. Coming down the hallway, we have the full closet here with plenty of storage cubbies. You have your safe. We've got plenty of hangers in here for all the things you could possibly ever want. Both sides do open completely, which is very nice. So painting from the closet, we do have a wonderful couch here. I believe this actually folds out into a bed. So if you're staying here with some friends, this is a place where you can add some more sleepy room. Nice artwork on the wall here. Painting over this way, we have a nice sized bed. We have an end table there and an end table over here. Now looking at the light fixtures, turn the lights off here, turn them back on. I have a little reading light right here, and then you have a USB charger there. Typically, we're not fans of the USB chargers, mainly because you don't know how they're regulated, you don't know what that is actually feeding into, so recommend using an actual plug. So from this side of the bed, we have some more light switches, which turns off the light around the bed, and then this one, the next one right here, turns off the main lights. So from painting over this way, we have the TV with all the things you could possibly choose from. We have a selection of room service in the minibar. You've got the remote control. You've got some storage down here and here, so plenty of places to hide some things away, which I am all about. You have your mini fridge here, which, has some water for purchase. Nice. Here's where you have your hairdryer. So I guess you don't get to get ready in the bathroom with the hairdryer. Interesting. So here we have 3 US plugs, and I believe that's a European plug. I do not see any actual plugs by the bed other than those USB ports. So I don't know how I really feel about that. I typically like to charge my phone by the bed because it's who doesn't do that? But other than that, pretty cool. So under here we do have a trash can, and then this looks like a little footstool or a place to sit to go get your makeup done, or to do your hair, or to use that table if you need it. And here is our phone. You can call virtually anybody you want. I do wonder though if they actually really cleaned the room, because that's not from us. But the bed looks really comfy. But here's what I'm most excited about: the balcony. There we go. And then Pigeon Sound. Nice. 2 chairs and a table. So I will say I am most excited about the bathroom. There's okay, you guys, I'm serious. There is, I just saw, there's a seal. Come on. Come on, focus. That's it. That's a seal out there. Or it's something. I'm pretty sure it's a seal. I don't know what it is. What could it be? Yeah, I think those are seals. Or otters? Or something. Oh, how cute's that? Babe, they're seals. Come here, they're seals. Lois has brought us back some drinks, but I want to show them the seals. Sorry, honey, I don't think you're to see seals.
Bummer, but that's all right. We saw, pretty sure there was one earlier. And,
yeah, I know I saw one earlier, but
we'll definitely see all kinds of other wildlife. We got a week on this boat, so which is awesome.
But what are your thoughts on the room?
So the room is super nice. Everything is very up to date, very modern, very clean.
Yep.
And also with this being a club balcony suite, it's a little bit larger than your standard room. You probably got an extra 3 or 4 feet on it. And I think I'm particularly most impressed about the bathroom.
I know, right?
The bathroom is a good size, and particularly the shower.
Yeah.
And we cruised on so many of those old Royal Caribbean ships. And we just got off of Margaritaville.
Link below for that cruise tour.
But the bathroom, the shower here it's like a full size shower. So
yeah. There's 6 faucets. Like it's multifaceted.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I haven't even looked at it that close yet.
Yeah. I was all in there.
I was like, I'm actually gonna be able to fit in there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's great. I think it's gonna be a really comfortable cruise.
Yeah. The only thing I'm not a fan of is there are no plugs by the bed. So, but that's okay. We will make do. We always do.
You always got to bring those really long USB cables.
Yeah, for sure. So one of the cool things about cruising is that they will often drop off some papers. So because I have cruised with because I have cruised with Norwegian before, I have a bronze status, which means like next to nothing, but I do get 10% off the duty-free shops and a couple other of perks there too. And they also drop off your tickets for the shore excursions if you've booked through the cruise line. Now we have some shore excursions with the cruise line and some through Viator. So we'll make sure we tell you guys the prices on those later.
All right,
guys, so there is some extra bedding here. So if you are going to be sleeping here, I'm sure they'll make the bed up for you, but there's actually some extra storage on that side as well. So yeah, plenty of storage in this cabin. Our audio cut out, but right above the couch, you guys can see that little drop down area. That looks like it is an extra bed. So your cabin steward can make that up for you if you have a 3rd or 4th person staying in your room. Alright guys, so that is a room tour. So that being said, here are your pro tips. And what we'll do is we'll give you guys the pro tips at the end of the cruise after we've lived in it. Oh my god, there they are. Okay. They're so fast. Alright, you kind of see where that like swoosh of the water is, where it kind of comes around. They just popped up over there. Do you see them?
Oh.
Yeah, way out there. There's 2 of them. Told y'all I wasn't crazy. Told y'all I saw them. Told y'all. Alright guys, so we will give you guys your pro tips after we've lived in this cabin for 7 days. So yeah. We'll see you guys in 7 days. And make sure you guys are subscribing because it's very important that you do, because we're doing all the things. We have 7-day cruise. We're a day at sea tomorrow. We were in Juneau, then Skagway, then Ketchikan, and BC. We're going to do all the things. So yeah. Hopefully we'll see more animals. Future Christine, let us know about those pro tips. Or I guess future Lewis, let us know about those pro tips.
All right. All right, guys, so here are your pro tips for the Balcony Club Suite aboard the Norwegian Bliss. I'd say number 1 is it definitely gets very loud at night, particularly in the rough seas, so I highly recommend putting some padding and using your old itinerary slips and shoving them in the cracks where the door meets the wood, because that metal and wood are just rubbing all night long and it'll keep you awake. It sounds like it's a cacophony of noises.
What are you doing?
You're soundproofing the room.
So, you guys, he has like shoved paper in all the crevices, all the shaky things.
It's quieting down. It's working.
It is. Marry an engineer. He's a little bit grumpy when he doesn't get his beauty sleep. Oh, I love you, honey. Thank you for fixing the room.
You know, if they just put some caulking on here or some gaskets, we wouldn't have this problem.
Yeah.
I can't be the first person to shove yesterday's itinerary in all the cracks.
We'll let you guys know in the morning how we slept.
Pro tip number 2 is learn how to use your shower on the first day, because it's got a lot of different options as far as different water jets, and it's even got a special child safety switch where you can turn the water temperature up even higher, and definitely a lot of options, and you don't want to hop in the shower and get sprayed in places you weren't expecting to get sprayed in. Happened to me once. Pro tip number 3 is if you do book the Balcony Club Suite, it actually does come with 1 complimentary laundry service. You get a bag you can fill with as much laundry as you want, and they'll take care of that for you. Just need 24 hours turnaround time. And your bonus tip is if you get the balcony cabin, definitely take full advantage of using it. Sit out here as much as possible. Get a good look at those views. If you're port or starboard, I think you're going to get a pretty good view. If you're starboard side, you're going to see more of the mountains on the way out. Port side, you're going to see the mountains on the way back in. And you can, if you want, you can even sleep with the door open. The doors do lock and open, closed, or anywhere in between. So that's really nice.
Alright guys, so we're on the balcony. I'm trying to enjoy sail away, and on the 14th floor. Y'all hear that?
Wow.
Yeah. The bass is like rattling my teeth. Like the bass is like rattling my teeth. But it's pretty. Trying to enjoy this beautiful sunset, and all I hear is Little John. What's up with that?
So that's going to do it for us today. Remember to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. It really helps us out. And with that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Hang on. Oh, it's bad lighting.
Professional Weekend's YouTube channel. Today we're on board the Norwegian Bliss.
You look crazy with your eyes like that, so do they don't.
I'm trying to bring the excitement.
Okay.
To give you a full balcony suite tour. Is that what we decided it was?
Nope. I've been holding this camera up all day. My arms are killing me. All right, go ahead.
Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekend's YouTube.
Nope.
Oh, wow, I just saw a tail.
Of course, I'm Susie looking at you.
My goodness, I saw a whale tail. Oh, bunny tails.
Oh, are you using the ray?
Yeah. It is a balcony suite. Club balcony suite. Is that right? Sorry.
It's okay.
Club balcony suite. All right.
Okay. All right, so let's open this door here. Let's Christine, be smart. Please use the door lock. That's closed, but this is open. So we can open the door. All right, guys, last minute surprise here. Though someone left something. Is that underwear? Yeah, there's definitely someone's underwear in here.
Underwear.
That, honey, that's underwear. That's underwear. All right, fun fact, guys. Yeah, those are.